Get ready for a smartphone that truly understands you. The new Google Pixel 9a with Gemini is here, packing incredible AI power into an affordable package. Imagine capturing breathtaking photos and videos effortlessly, thanks to the Pixel camera's AI smarts. Features like Add Me and Best Take make every group shot perfect, while Macro Focus brings tiny worlds to life. And the battery? It's a game changer. With adaptive battery lasting over 30 hours and extreme battery saver pushing it to an insane 100 hours. Plus, Gemini is your ultimate AI assistant, helping you find information faster than ever, even across all your Google apps. This phone is built tough too, with IP68 water and dust protection, making it the most durable A-series Pixel yet. If you're looking for the best AI-powered camera and all-day battery without breaking the bank, this is it. Don't miss out on this amazing upgrade. Click the Amazon link in the description to learn more and get yours today. You won't regret investing in the future of smartphones.